Hi friends, welcome to our channel Brain Booster. Have you ever wondered how India broke free from 200 years of British rule? From brave freedom fighters to powerful movements. Let's go back in time and discover how India won her freedom on the 15th of August 1947. The British East India Company came to India for trade in the 1600s. Slowly, they took control of many Indian regions. By the mid-1800s, the British Crown ruled India directly. Many Indians were unhappy with British rule. Leaders like Mangal Pandey, Rani Lakshmibai, Tatya Tope, Nana Sahib, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhas Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai, Chandrasekhar Azad, Annie Besant, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar started fighting for independence. Mangal Pandey, a soldier in the British East India Company's army, starting the revolt of 1857, also known as India's first war of independence. Mangal Pandey rebelled against the British officers in Barakpur, near Kolkata, on the 29th of March 1857. Protesting against the use of rifle cartridges rumored to be greased with cow and pig fat. Offensive to both Hindus and Muslims. He was arrested and hanged on the 8th of April 1857. His act of bravery inspired a massive uprising across India. Rani Lakshmibai, when the British tried to annex her kingdom under the doctrine of lapse, claiming her adopted son was not the rightful heir, she refused to surrender Jhansi. She led her army into battle, dressed as a soldier, with her child strapped to her back. Fought bravely against British forces in Jhansi, Kalpi, and Gwalior. Became a symbol of courage and resistance for Indian women. Famously remembered in the line, "Khoob ladi mardani, wo to Jhansi wali Rani thi." Tatya Tope, a close ally of Rani Lakshmibai and Nana Sahib, fought bravely in several regions, Kanpur, Gwalior, Jhansi, and Rajasthan, remembered as a brilliant military strategist. Gandhi introduced non-violent movements like Champaran Satyagrah, 1917, helped farmers in Bihar fighting against unfair British plantation rules. Non-cooperation movement, 1920-22, asked Indians to boycott British schools, clothes, and laws. Dandi March, Salt March, 1930. Walked 240 miles to make salt from the sea, defying British law. Quit India Movement, 1942. Gave the slogan, "Do or die," demanding British to leave India immediately. Subhas Chandra Bose, lovingly called Netaji. He was one of India's bravest freedom fighters, who believed that India's freedom must be won through action, not just words. In Japan, he formed the INA, Azad Hind Fauj, an army of Indians ready to fight the British with weapons. Many Indian soldiers and civilians from Southeast Asia joined his cause. Netaji became the supreme commander of the INA. The INA fought battles in Burma, Myanmar, and Northeast India. Though they were brave, they lacked enough weapons and support to defeat the British. Their fight made the British realize that Indians were ready to rebel. His powerful and inspiring slogan was, "Give me blood, and I will give you freedom." Bhagat Singh was a hero of the early 20th century Indian independence movement. Lala Lajpat Rai was killed by British police. Bhagat Singh and his team decided to take revenge. They killed British officer. Threw non-lethal bombs in the Central Legislative Assembly in Delhi. Didn't run away, shouted slogans, "Inqilab Zindabad," "Long live the revolution," and got arrested. Fought for prisoners' rights in jail. Went on a hunger strike for 116 days to demand equal treatment. Bhagat Singh, along with Rajguru and Sukhdev, was hanged by the British on the 23rd of March 1931. That day is now observed as Shaheed Divas, Martyrs' Day. For almost 200 years, many people fought against British rule. The first War of Independence in 1857 was the first major uprising, led by Rani Lakshmibai, Mangal Pandey and many more. Many Indian soldiers and citizens joined the fight. The British were shocked and scared at first, but after over a year of fierce battles, the British defeated the Indian rebels using stronger weapons and more soldiers. Even though the war was not successful, the spirit of freedom was born in 1857. World War II started in 1939 and ended in 1945. It lasted 6 years and involved many countries all around the world. Over 60 million people died, including soldiers and innocent civilians. After World War II, Britain was weak and couldn't control India anymore. On the 15th of August 1947, India became an independent nation. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. He gave the famous speech, "At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom." Independence Day, August 15, 1947, could depict a vibrant scene of people celebrating the newly gained freedom. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for such more videos.